Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the remarkable Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 Black ARGB water cooling CPU cooler, a powerhouse designed to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. This cooler features a water block with a full copper mirror plane base, paired with a 240 spec black aluminum fin cold plate, ensuring low resistance and high cooling performance. The ARGB God light synchronization allows the PWM fan and water cooling head to sync with your motherboard, creating a stunning light show while maintaining efficient cooling. The high-performance cold head boasts a copper bottom with 0.1 mm spacing and an aluminum alloy cover, ensuring a long-lasting life of up to 40,000 hours and speeds reaching 5300 RPM. Equipped with 2 TLiters E12BS balanced fans, this cooler offers impressive airflow and minimal noise, thanks to its SFDB V2 bearings and PWM functionality. Compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, the Frozen Notte 240 is easy to install and perfect for any tech setup. So, if you're looking for a cooler that combines performance, durability, and style, the Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 is your ultimate solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.